On 23rd October, Karbi Students Association Havar-kehat branch committee reshuffled its body at Havar-kehat Higher Secondary School. To strengthen the association, Karbi Students Association Havar-kehat branch committee reshuffled its body for the next 2 years' terms at Havar-kehat Higher Secondary School. The body reshuffling program was chaired by Rameshwar Terang, Biswajit Teron, General Secretary of KSA, Sarthe Ronghang, executive members, KSA and several eminent students leaders attended as a guest of the event. It was reported that after a prolonged discussions, it was unanimously decided to appoint Rameshwar Terang as the president, Ruptalin Inhipi as the vice president, Suresh Rongchehon as the secretary, and Binod Ingti as the assistant secretary of Havar-kehat branch committee for the next 23rd year term. 7 additional office bearers and 5 executive members were also appointed during the event. 1 minute of silence was also made as a mark of honor and respect to the departed souls of ex-students leaders of Havar-kehat branch committee.
Ningkan suri ni rengkoi rahini, lapen ningkan suri ni rengkoi rap dia farman dak arpu ka celara mai pedulo, udah reshuffle meet pedu pon. Arpu ke deng ponel tu office bearers pelorong lapan ke bang prep ho, lapen general members bang po lapen dak nanga chatong ana tu mangke la bangke general members lo dia khala bangke bang po bangke executive members po lafon atrasa dak arpu ke chokli man bangke dak ko pleng pon lablo.
Harsing Rongpi reports from Havar-kehat for Karbi Long Live.